Forgive me, my love, for I have lost my way. My boat is sinking, and I have gone astray. I'll leave my words in a bottle for you to find. I pray that you leave the life we had behind. The waves have come crashing, left me here floating on a plank. Maybe it'd be a lot better for you if I would have sank. But now I've landed on an island, and there's plenty of room, and there's plenty of people here with me. Forget me. These stormy seas were too much for my heart to take. Perhaps my embarkment was a big mistake, but I sought for happiness across an ocean full of your lies. And along came this tempest that washed open my eyes. And now I'm on an island, and there's plenty of room, and there's plenty of people here with me.